Hello. Okay. Hi everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to uh, discuss vocabulary from world education. I already discussed about world education. I gave you the summary of world education and I already discussed some question answers from world education. So this is a very interesting topic about world education, how world education worked in the rural areas of Pakistan on some illiterate women to make them educated, to make them literate. So we already discussed. Um, so vocabulary. Just a minute. Yes, this passage uses interesting descriptive adjectives. So adjective is a part of speech. We speak so many words. So every word is a part of speech. There are eight part of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So I want to tell you the definition of adjective. Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, thing, or place are called adjective. Adjectives are used to express quality, number, shape, size, and quality, number, shape, size. Okay. So, smart boy. Smart boy. The boy is smart. So it expresses the quality of the boy that he is smart. So smart is an adjective. One horse and two peacocks. So one and two. These are adjectives because it describes number. Round ball. It expresses the shape of the ball. What type of ball it is? It is round in shape. So round it is adjective. Big tree. What type of tree it is? It is big. So the size of the tree is big. Big is also adjective. Adjective also adjectives are also used to express how someone or something looks, feels, tastes, uh, and sounds, etc. Just like salty food. So it expresses the taste of the food. The taste of the food is salty. So salty adjective. Beautiful girl. So the girl is beautiful. It expresses how the girl looks like. The girl is beautiful. Beautiful is adjective. Soft pillow. Pillow. So the pillow is soft. It expresses the feel of the pillow. Loud music. It describes the sound of the music. The music is loud. So these are all adjectives. This is a skill that must be learned to write effectively. Study the following examples. So we should have a clear knowledge where to use adjective. Otherwise, the learners or the readers will be confused after listening wrong adjectives. First 6-month course. Local female volunteer. Comfortable, familiar place. We will now learn the natural order of two or more adjectives when they come before a noun. When two or more adjectives come before a noun, we have to learn the natural order of these two or more adjectives. When we put adjectives in the wrong place, the result can seem confusing to listeners or readers. If we put adjective in wrong place, then the reader can't understand. Look at the same three examples with the adjectives in the wrong order. So, 6-month, first course. It is wrong. The right one is first 6-month course. Female, local, volunteer. But if female local volunteer, this is right. Local female volunteer. This is wrong. Comfortable, familiar place. This is right process to use adjective. Familiar, comfortable place. This is wrong process to put adjective. So, adjectives of these guidelines will help you learn the correct order of adjectives. Adjectives of color, origin, material and classification. These all are adjectives. Color red, adjective, brown, blue, adjective, origin just like Venezuelan, Swiss, Indian origin. So these are adjectives. Leather, porcelain, glass adjectives. Vanity, dinner, flower adjectives. Case, plate, vase adjectives. Okay, these all are adjectives. When we will use two or more adjectives, then we should have a clear idea to put adjective in right place. You might think that vanity, dinner and flower are not adjectives. They are nouns. But when they are used to describe another noun, they do the work of adjectives. Here are some more examples. We know that flower is noun, vanity noun, dinner noun. But when we will put these nouns, when we will put these nouns to describe another noun, then they are called adjectives, not noun. Here are some more examples, just like shop assistant, curtain rail, floor tile. Okay, so these are also adjectives. Other adjectives, number 2. Other adjectives are usually placed before words of color, origin, material and purpose. In general, adjectives of size, length and height are often placed first. So, adjectives of size, just like a small modern plastic MP3 player. So this is the right process to use adjectives. Small adjective, modern adjective, plastic MP3 plastic adjective, MP3 player. So we can't write uh, modern. We can't write a modern plastic small MP3 player because this is wrong. So this is right. A small modern plastic MP3 player. So adjectives of size. This is small, modern, then size. Okay, then modern plastic MP3 player. Long flexible rubber pipes. So long flexible rubber pipes. Not we can't write flexible long rubber pipes. We have to write long flexible rubber pipes. Then a tall ancient forest, not an ancient tall forest. So here the process that here the rule that in general adjectives of size, length and height are often placed first. So the small placed first and long placed first and tall placed first. Adjectives which express judgment or attitude are usually placed before all others. Judgment or attitude are usually placed before all others. An exciting, colorful movie. So exciting. This is judgment or attitude. Wonderful Sri Lankan film actor. Wonderful. This is also judgment or attitude. Judgment. Numbers are usually placed before adjectives. 6 red apples. The second successive defeat. So numbers are used, 6 used, then second used before red adjective, successive adjective. So numbers are used placed before adjectives. First, next and last are most often placed before 1, 2, 3, etc. Just like the first 3 applicants. So first is used before 3. My last 2 years. So last is used before 2. Age is normally placed after adjectives of size, length and height, but before color, origin, material and purpose. So age is used before size, length and after size, length and height, but before color, origin and material. A big old copper boiler. So big size, after size old is used. So tall, it is also size, after tall young is used, but it is used before copper boiler, circus acrobat, before material, just copper boiler, material, circus acrobat. Okay. Thus the correct sequencing of adjectives is as given below. So correct sequencing of adjectives, this is very important. So first number, then judgment or attitude, then size or length or height, then age, then color or origin or material or classification, then noun, finally noun. So this is the correct sequencing of adjectives. Of course, 2 or more adjectives are used here, so this is the correct sequencing of adjectives. A lovely, I is a number, lovely judgment, long size, black color, silk material, dress noun. A number, valuable judgment, and Hyderabad, place, pearl, material, necklace, noun. Okay. So this is very simple thing I have discussed. So now I hope you are clear about adjectives, and you have to learn where to use adjective. You have to learn the proper sequencing of adjectives. So that's all for now. Tomorrow I will discuss other things. And are you studying? So take care and bye.